Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a small but mighty piece of gear that can make a monumental difference in your audio setup: the ISO1 1ch line Isolat. If you've ever been plagued by annoying hums, buzzes, or general electrical noise creeping into your sound, then this device is designed specifically to be your audio savior. At its core, the ISO1 is a single-channel line isolator. What exactly does that mean? Well, in many audio systems, especially when connecting different pieces of equipment that might be powered from various outlets or have different grounding schemes, you can encounter what's known as a ground loop. This ground loop acts like an antenna, picking up electrical interference and injecting it directly into your audio signal, manifesting as that dreaded 60-cycle hum or a persistent buzz. The ISO1 steps in to break this loop. It provides complete electrical isolation between the input and output, effectively severing the unwanted ground path while allowing your pristine audio signal to pass through unimpeded. Think of it as a silent guardian for your sound. This isn't just about eliminating noise. It's about preserving the integrity and clarity of your audio. When the background hum is gone, the true dynamics and nuances of your music, vocals, or instrument come to the forefront. It ensures that what you hear is exactly what was intended, free from external electrical interference. The single-channel design makes it perfect for specific problem areas, perhaps a noisy keyboard, a problematic guitar amp connection, or a single line-level input on a mixer that's causing trouble. Its simplicity is a huge advantage. There are no complex settings or power requirements. You simply connect it inline with the problematic audio signal, and it gets to work. The applications for a device like the ISO1 are incredibly broad. Musicians can use it on stage or in the studio to clean up signals from instruments or effects pedals. Home theater enthusiasts can employ it to eliminate hum from their AV receivers or subwoofers. Even in professional broadcast or recording environments, where signal purity is paramount, a reliable line isolator like the ISO1 can be an indispensable tool. It's a passive device, meaning it doesn't require any external power, which adds to its convenience and reliability. This also means it won't introduce any additional noise or coloration to your sound, maintaining a transparent audio path. Ultimately, the ISO1 1ch line Isolat is a testament to how a small, specialized piece of equipment can solve a very common and frustrating audio problem with elegant simplicity. It's not about adding features or effects. It's about removing unwanted elements to reveal the true quality of your sound. For anyone struggling with persistent audio noise, this device offers a straightforward, effective, and highly recommended solution to achieve that clean, professional sound they've been striving for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.